Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric chainsaws in this video? I will show you the top 3 best electric chainsaws to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected 4 6-inch electric pruning saw. Specifications: brand name, Duff Done. Battery, 1 pieces. Usage, home DIY. Application, wood saw. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Power source, AC. Saw type, chainsaw. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. The item number 2 is 16-inch cordless chainsaw. Specifications: brand name, 1 bin. Motor type, brushless. Wattage, 6,000 watts. Weight, 5 kilograms. No load speed, 30,000 revolutions per minute. Power source, battery. Saw type, chainsaw. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have HY7038B HY7036 2200 watts electric wood cutters. Specifications: brand name, Econ BLS. Wattage, 2000 to 3999 watts. Weight, 2.9 kilograms. Dimensions, 39 by 24 by 19 centimeters. Max cutting width, 300 millimeters. No load speed, 7,000 revolutions per minute. Frequency, 500 to 720 meters, minute. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Power source, battery. Saw type, chainsaw.